us at Silver Railz. First, I want to make it clear to everybody that this is the reason why we celebrate Christmas. We keep in our house the image of Christ crucified, the image of the Sacred Heart, and also this beautiful painting that my mother did of the Madonna with the orchid. Over here we have this little tree. This is actually an artificial tree that dates back at least as far as the 1930s, maybe even before. It was made in Germany and it belonged to my grandmother. We've kept it in the family all these years. This is our Christmas tree. We're starting to put packages under it. Tomorrow, sometime late at night, I expect it to really fill up with stuff. Here we have our fireplace mantle with all these stocking hanger things. Pretty soon there'll be stockings there full of stuff when Santa Claus comes. Christmas cards are still in style at Silver Railz. Fortunately, our friends still send them to us, and we love receiving them. This is the Advent wreath at Silver Railz. Soon all 5 candles will be lit. This one is lit for Christmas Day. These represent the 4 weeks of Advent that precede Christmas. The 12 days of Christmas, I believe, start with Christmas through the Epiphany. Now to the train room. The 1666 project was completed just in time for Christmas. I'll show you some of what we had to do. First of all, I installed one marker light jewel. Unfortunately, I need one for this side too. It's been completely repainted. The center rail pickups have been fixed. The broken rear truck extension has been replaced with an erector set part using JB Weld. I had to replace and reinforce this part with styrene and JB Weld. This thing turned out to be a lot more work than I thought it would. As I said before in a previous video, I had installed a new E-unit drum, but apparently it was oversized and didn't work right, so I had to do the whole thing again. But as you can see, this little pre-war 1666 does the job pulling the Polar Express. And that shows you that the E-unit rebuild actually works. We at Silver Railz are happy to share our Christmas with all of you, our subscribers. We hope you enjoyed it. We hope all of you have a wonderful, merry, and joyful Christmas and a very great and happy New Year. May God bless you all.